Hey friends, if you wish to delete a file or folder in Windows 11, then please watch this video. It's not a big deal. For example, this is a file or this is a folder. If I wish to delete it, I can right click on it and select the delete button, and it will be deleted and it will go straight to the recycle bin. Or I can just select it and hit the delete key on my keyboard and it will delete it. So this is how you can delete a file or folder, but what if you are unable to delete it at that point of time? In that case, it could be that the file is open. So just try this small trick. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart the computer. In most probability, the file or folder will not open at startup itself, and if it does not, then you will be able to close it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.